Crash course on Switzerland. Geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Welcome to a crash course on Switzerland's unique geography, stunning natural landscapes, and thrilling outdoor adventures. In this section, I'll share interesting stories and examples to ignite your sense of wonder. Following that, I'll present you with a list of the top 12 attractions that showcase the country's natural beauty and provide exciting outdoor activities. Let's dive in. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Majesty of the Swiss Alps, Switzerland is home to some of the most magnificent peaks in the world. The iconic Matterhorn, with its rugged beauty, stands tall as a symbol of the Swiss Alps and attracts mountaineers from all corners of the globe. 2. Lake Geneva's Serenity. The tranquil Lake Geneva offers a picturesque setting, surrounded by rolling hills and charming lakeside towns. Take a boat ride across its pristine waters, enjoy the views of the snow-capped mountains, and explore the vineyards of the Lavaux region. 3. Rhine Fall, Europe's largest waterfall. Experience the power and grandeur of the Rhine Falls, Europe's largest waterfall. Located near Schaffhausen, the falls cascade over a breadth of 150 meters, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that will leave you in awe. Top 12 attractions in geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. 1. The Swiss Alps. Immerse yourself in the stunning beauty of the Swiss Alps. Explore world-class ski resorts, hike along scenic trails, and enjoy breathtaking views of snow-capped peaks and pristine alpine lakes. 2. Jungfraujoch. Ascend to the top of Europe, and witness the awe-inspiring panorama of the Swiss Alps. Marvel at the glaciers, visit the ice palace, and breathe in the fresh mountain air at this iconic destination. 3. Lake Lucerne. Discover the beauty of Lake Lucerne, surrounded by towering mountains. Take a scenic boat cruise, hike along the shoreline, or explore the charming towns and historical sites dotting its banks. 4. Aletsch Glacier. Embark on a journey to the Aletsch Glacier, the largest glacier in the Alps and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hike through the mesmerizing landscape and witness the impressive ice formations. 5. Lauterbrunnen Valley. Explore the enchanting Lauterbrunnen Valley, known as the Valley of Waterfalls. Experience the beauty of cascading waterfalls, verdant meadows, and towering cliffs as you hike through this natural wonderland. 6. Lake Geneva. Enjoy the serenity of Lake Geneva, surrounded by vineyards and picturesque towns. Take a leisurely boat ride, go sailing, or simply relax on the lakeside promenades and beaches. 7. Engadine Valley. Discover the beauty of the Engadine Valley, renowned for its crystal-clear lakes, charming villages, and majestic mountain scenery. Explore the hiking and biking trails or indulge in winter sports like skiing and snowboarding. 8. Trummelback Falls. Witness the power of nature at the Trummelback Falls, a series of impressive waterfalls inside a mountain in the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Take an elevator and climb through tunnels to marvel at the cascades. 9. The Rhine Valley. Explore the Rhine Valley, a region characterized by its rolling vineyards, charming towns, and picturesque castles. Follow the Rhine River as it meanders through the stunning landscape, offering opportunities for cycling and wine tasting. 10. Zermatt. Experience the alpine beauty of Zermatt, nestled at the foot of the Matterhorn. Enjoy world-class skiing, hike through breathtaking trails, and soak in the charming atmosphere of this car-free village. 11. The Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. Ascend to the highest cable car station in Europe and marvel at the panoramic views from the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. Explore the Ice Palace, visit the observation deck, and experience the thrill of walking on a glacier. 12. Swiss National Park. Immerse yourself in nature at the Swiss National Park, located in the eastern part of Switzerland. Discover the diverse wildlife, hike through pristine alpine landscapes, and enjoy the tranquility of this protected area. Summarizing this writing, Switzerland's unique geography, natural landscapes, and outdoor adventures make it a paradise for nature lovers and thrill seekers alike. From the majestic peaks of the Swiss Alps to the serenity of its lakes, there are endless opportunities to immerse yourself in Switzerland's breathtaking beauty. Embark on a journey of discovery, engage in thrilling outdoor activities, and create unforgettable memories in this captivating country. And now, a poem inspired by the enchanting natural landscapes of Switzerland. In Switzerland's embrace, nature's wonders unfold. From the towering Alps to lakes of liquid gold. Jungfrau Joch's summit, a panoramic view. And Lucerne's tranquil waters, reflecting skies so blue. A Lech glacier stretches, a frozen masterpiece. While Lauterbrunnen's falls cascade with ease. Engadine's valleys, a haven for the soul. And Rhine Valley's vineyards, where grapevines stroll. Trummelbach's power, a waterfall's might. Zermatt's alpine charm, a beacon of light. Swiss National Park, where wildlife roams free. And Matterhorn's Majesty, a sight to see. Lake Geneva's Serenity, a calming retreat. While Rhine's meandering course, a visual treat. In Switzerland's embrace, nature's beauty thrives. An outdoor playground where adventure survives. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html aid equals 7,989,335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.